So I got in a set of surgical scissors from a local veterinarian, and I'm going to sharpen them here, and I'm going to test them first on a piece of latex glove before and after. So someone was asking me how I test surgical scissors before and after sharpening. Well, what I use is a latex or rubber glove. These are just cheap gloves from Harbor Freight. And what I want to do is just kind of get a feel of it. And this one, I can feel it's pushing. It's cutting, but it's pushing before it's cutting. And so that has got to be a frustration for the doctor when they're doing surgery here. So we're going to sharpen them. So I sharpened them, and now I'm ready to test them again. See if I can get a good shot here and see if it pushes. See, it did not push. It just sliced right through the material. And I can feel the difference on the cut compared to prior to sharpening. So if you want to see how I sharpen shears like this, you can look at my channel. There's some videos on how I do it.